Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you on how to set Outlook automatic reply. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your Outlook, click on File. Here you should see the auto reply option, okay? So if you have that feature on your Outlook account, what you need to do is to just go ahead and click that, and you need to fill out the form, and then after that should automatically set your automatic replies on your account. Okay, so if you don't have that feature or option right here, what you need to do is to click on rules and alerts. But before that, you want to go back here, click on new email, and then here at the subject you can put the date when you are out of office. So I'm just gonna put out of the office on May 25th. So just like that. And then here, just go ahead and put the body of your message. Okay. So put any message that you want, but I'm just gonna put a random letter because the body of your email is or message is up to you. Okay. So now once you've typed your message, what you need to do, click on File, click on Save As. Here at the Save As type, you want to select Outlook template. Now you can just go ahead and rename your file. Okay, so name it whatever you want, but here on my file, I named it auto reply. So after you rename your file, just go ahead and click on save. Okay, so now after that, what you need to do is to click on file, click on rules and alerts. Here on email rules, you want to click on new rules. Here you want to select apply rule on messages I receive. Click on next. Here if you want any condition, just go ahead and check it, and then after that click on next. But I'm just gonna leave it like this. Now click on yes. Here at the step 1, you want to select or check the box for reply using a specific template. Now here at the lower part, at the step 2, you want to click on a specific template. Now you want to click this drop down arrow, click on user templates in file system, and here this is my template, right? So now what I need you to do is to just go ahead and click on open, and then now what you need to do is click on next. And here if you have any exceptions, just go ahead and check that. So I'm just gonna leave it again like this. Click on next. So here specify a name for this rule. So just go ahead and rename this. So I'm just gonna put it out of the office. Auto reply like that. So you can name it whatever you want. So here step 2, set up role option. So you want to uncheck this box, and you should check this when you are out of your office. So for example, you're out of office on May 25th. So just go ahead and turn this on at the evening of May 24th. Okay. So after that, click on finish. Now you want to click on apply and okay. Okay. So now let's just say it is now the evening of May 24th. So what you need to do is to just go ahead and click on file, click on rules and alerts, check this. Okay. So now click on, so check this, click on apply and OK. Okay, so now that is how you do it. But don't forget to turn this off when you get back. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.